this video, we will be unboxing the M4 Smart Bracelet. On the front side of the packaging, we can see what the smart tracker looks like. And on the bottom, there are several salient features that they like to highlight. First being that this thing has an HD color screen. You can view message notifications. And lastly, this thing offers 45 days of battery life. This will mostly be standby battery life. On the right hand side of the packaging, you can see some of the activity or health tracking features. So first, it can track your heart rate, it can track your blood oxygen level, and it can supposedly also track your blood pressure. On the opposite side, you have the activities and again health metrics that can be tracked. This includes several activities. This is just mentioned as motion. Then you have calorie tracker, and lastly the distance that you've traveled. On the back side, you can see that it uses a 5-volt 1 ampere power input. The display is 0.96 inches and it is a TFT panel. It is rated to be IP67 waterproof. Working time, that is if you're actively tracking activities, would be between 4 to 7 days, and standby time is 45 days. For connection, it uses Bluetooth 4.0 BLE. Charging method is using a charging clip that is included, and it supports Android 4.4 or iOS devices above version 8.5. So that's it for everything on the packaging. Let's go ahead and unbox it. On the inside, we find a little user manual. Always read through the user manual to understand exactly how to operate the device. And if at all there are any important information that you should also be or that you should also know, then you'll find that in the user manual. Then there's the charging clip. It has 2 prongs on the inside. On the other end, you have a USB Type A interface. Finally, there's the M4 Smart Bracelet. There's only one button that is at the bottom, and you have the TFT screen in the center. It's 0.96 inches tall. The strap is silicone rubber, and the active device is right in the center. This thing can fit most wrists, and at the back side of the unit is the sensor assembly. So that is what will be used to monitor all your health stats. So that's it for the unboxing of the M4 Smart Bracelet. If you like us to do similar unboxings of wearables, please do like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.